At the University of Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, we decided to select the Xerion Fusion Factory to complement our growing portfolio of metal additive manufacturing technologies, which currently include several powder bed and powder fed systems, also known as directed energy deposition, and several in-house and commercial material jetting and binder jetting systems. The Xerion system provides a unique combination of metal FDM printer and debinding and high temperature processing. We intend to use it both for the FDM printed parts and for our binder jetted parts for heat treatment. We are looking forward to commissioning the system shortly as we come back from extended shutdown, and we look forward to collaboration with Xerion to benefit from Xerion's extensive heat treatment and high temperature processing expertise and equipment design.